guys, we have loaded with so many toys, and now in this area we will unload. So let's go to unload all the toys.
Hooray!
First one is police car,
Hooray!
and second one is monster.
Nanny, nanny, boo,
Monster
boo.
like me. Yes. It's a frog.
Nanny, nanny, boo, boo.
Green frog. Oh.
Yay!
Second one is alien. Green alien in green box.
Yuck!
Green alien. Let's go. It's a JCB. 4x4 JCB. And second, oh, ship, small ship, pink ship. I love it. I love it. I love it. So amazing, guys. It's a alien, pink alien. Oh, this one is really so beautiful. So beautiful. And this one is road roller, yellow road roller. And this is duck. This is duck.
Ew!
Oh, yellow and white duck.
Ew!
Yellow and white duck. And this one is Indian auto, yellow and black auto. I love to drive this auto. This one is pink fish, pink and blue fish, pink and blue fish. And now this one is blue fish. Oh, and again blue alien. Chantana. Yes, we have. Yes, we have completed. So guys, let's go. We are ready to go.
Whoa!